Hey my natural beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about nails. I haven't been able to make it to the salon lately, so I thought I would show you guys how I do my nails at home in less than an hour. If you guys want more DIY videos like this, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and also subscribe to see more videos. Stay tuned. Alright, so we're going to go through the things that you're going to need to achieve the nails at home. You're going to need some nail polish remover, of course, and of course the nails that you're going to use, the nail extensions or whatever. I have these clear ones that I just had sitting around. You're going to need some of your favorite polishes, a buffer, a nail clipper, some cotton, and of course some nail glue. The first thing I like to do is go ahead and prep my nails, and I do this by just clipping them down. I find that when I put nails on top of shorter nails, they don't lift as quickly, so I'm just going to go ahead and clip those down as low as I can. Now of course we're going to do the fitting, and basically this is just matching up some nails from your tray to the ones on your hand. You're just going to find whatever fits and just put those aside. Of course I'm taking this out in pairs because I'm going to be doing both my hands, so just go ahead and match those up. If it doesn't fit your finger exactly how you want, you can always just go ahead with your buffer and just shape it around so that it looks exactly like you want it to look. Once that's done, we're going to move on to gluing those nails down. I'm taking this magic nail glue. Pretty much everybody in Jamaica knows this one, but any nail glue will work. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply some glue and stick the nails on. Be sure to press the nail down so that you get all of the air out from under there. This is going to make it stick for a very, very long time. Now for shaping our nails, we're going to need to first clip them down to the length that we want, and I'm doing this just by creating two slits on the side and just bending the nail until it breaks off. Don't worry, it will not fall off. The nail glue is very, very strong. Now for my look, I'm going for a coffin shaped nail, so I'm just going to do some buffing. For my sides, I'm going to go ahead and clip some of the nail away with this nail clipper so that it's easier to get the shape that I want. But if you're going for a straight square shape, then you can just go ahead and buff it down. So I'm just going to buff the sides and make it as neat as I want. You can take your time to do this, but I'm not too picky about the shape or anything like that, but you know, I'm just going to do the buff work so that it's nice and precise. To prep the surface of my nails, I'm going to go ahead and use a smoother buffer just to buff away the surface of the nail. This is going to make it kind of rough, but what this does is it allows your polish to stick better and apply a whole lot smoother than it would if you didn't do this. So I'm just going to go ahead and buff away those surfaces until it's nice and gritty like I like it. Now for the fun part, you're going to go ahead and apply your polish. I'm taking this gorgeous red color by Santee. I think the color is called Red Alert, and it's just this really vivid pigmented red. Personally, I think Santee has like the best nail polishes ever. The colors are so insane, and I love the fact that it has a self-shine property, so you don't have to go in with a top coat if you don't want to. And don't really worry about being too neat with this step because we are going to go in and fix that later on. So just go ahead and go crazy with your nail polish. Now I'm taking some cotton and I'm just going to clean up those edges. You guys can totally use a Q-tip, but I didn't have any on hand, so this is what I started to do. I just took the scissors and dipped it into some of the nail polish remover, but I ended up removing that in the end and just using my hand. So that's the beauty of only doing one hand at a time. I'm just going to go ahead and clean up those edges to make it look like you just left the salon. You can use a Q-tip to do this, believe me, it's way easier. So there you have it, guys. Quick and easy nails in the comfort of your home. The beauty about this is you can go ahead and change up the colors as much as you want because you don't have to stress yourself about going to the salon. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Before I go though, I do want to share this really cute nail look with you guys. This is like a nude glitter look that I've absolutely been loving lately, and it's Santee nails polish in nude. I have that on as a base, and on top of that I have on this gorgeous glitter polish. It's the Sally Hansen Extreme Creamwear, and the color is called Strobe Light. This application I've had on for well over a week and it still looks really good, right? Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Of course, leave me your favorite nail polish color in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye!